After several hearings, the Supreme Court of India squashed the RBI circular which banned the bank from providing service to anyone or any business dealing in cryptocurrency in March. The RBI also previously confirmed that the cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin are legal in India. By the time when I am making this video, present rate of Bitcoin is 14,20,841.18 Indian rupees and yesterday rate was 13,15,241.40. It means in just one day its value increased from 13 to 14 lakh. So how exactly to categorize Bitcoin is a matter of controversy. Is it a type of currency or a store of value? How Bitcoin work? How Bitcoin mining is working? How transactions of Bitcoin take place and why businessmen prefer this instead of dollar? Let's understand in detail. Before we begin, it is important to understand its history. So come to history, Bitcoin was invented in 2008 by Satoshi Nakamoto with publication of paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. On 3rd January 2009, Bitcoin network was created when Nakamoto mined the starting block of chain known as Genesis block. The receiver of the first Bitcoin transaction was Hal Finney. Finney downloaded the Bitcoin software on its release date and on 12 January 2009 received 10 Bitcoin from Nakamoto. Satoshi Nakamoto combined several inventions such as B-Money and Hashcash to create a completely decentralized electronic cash system that does not depend on central authority for currency issuance or settlement and validation of transactions. Bitcoin total market value is estimated at between 5 and 10 billion US dollar depending on dollar and Bitcoin exchange rate. The largest transaction proceeds so far by network was 150 million US dollar transmitted instantly and proceed without any fee. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is the perfect form of money for internet because it is fast, secure and borderless. It is decentralized digital currency without any central bank or single administration that can send from user to user on the peer-to-peer Bitcoin network without the need for intermediate. They can be exchanged for other currency products, etc. User can transfer Bitcoin over network to do just about anything that can done with conventional currency, such as buying or sell goods, send money to the people or organization, or exchange credit. Bitcoin technology includes features that are based on encryption and digital signature to ensure safety of Bitcoin network. The coins are implied in a transaction which transfer value from sender to receiver. User of Bitcoin own key, which allow them to prove ownership of transaction in Bitcoin network, unlocking the value to spend it and transfer it to the new receiver. It is basically a file which has a value that registers as a transaction which you initiate a payment or receipt. There are three elements involved in Bitcoin transaction: a transaction input, a transaction output, and amount. The transaction input is a Bitcoin address from which the money was sent, and transaction output is a Bitcoin address to which money was sent. If Bitcoin is in your wallet, that will be Bitcoin address under your control. Bitcoin has many benefits over the older currencies. It eliminates the banking fee. Companies and individuals want to avoid paying transaction fee or taxes when they swap between the currencies during exchange money during buying or selling. With digital currency like Bitcoin, they do not need to pay any of these charges. It also provides user autonomy. Digital currency allow user more autonomy over their own money. Users are able to control how they spend their money without dealing with intermediate authority like bank or government. It provides peer-to-peer focus. The Bitcoin payment system is purely peer-to-peer, meaning that the user are able to send or receive payment to and from anyone on the network around the world without requirement of approval from any external source or authority. It also has very low transaction fee for international payment. When any user deal in Bitcoin, they have to give very few Bitcoin money as a fee. It also provide money mobile payment. With many online payment system, Bitcoin user can pay for their money anywhere when they have internet access. This means the purchaser never have to travel to bank or a store to buy a product. And most importantly, the personal information is not necessary to provide in any transaction like PAN card or Aadhaar card. It is a safe and secure. It is a fully encrypted followed by blockchain method and digital signature. Now, how Bitcoin work? Each Bitcoin is basically a computer file which is stored in digital wallet app on a smartphone or computer. People can send Bitcoin or a part of one to your digital wallet, or you can send Bitcoins to other people. For working a Bitcoin, three elements are needed. First, a public key, second, private key, and third, wallet. A roughly analogy is a username, that is a public key, and password, that is our private key. A hash of public key called the address is one display on the blockchain. Using the hash provide an extra layer of security. To receive a Bitcoin, it, it is enough for sender to know your address. The public key is derived from private key, which you need to send Bitcoin to another address. The system make it easy to receive the money but require verification of identity to send it. To access Bitcoin, you use a wallet, which is a set of keys that can take different form from third-party web application offering insurance and debit card to QR code printed on piece of paper. Now the second question is how Bitcoin transaction work. A Bitcoin that can send to anyone or someone were sent to you from someone else. When they send them to you, the address that they sent it from was registered on Bitcoin blockchain, a encrypted and unaccessible register as a transaction input, and your address, the address they send it to, was registered on the Bitcoin network as the transaction output. When you send that Bitcoin on to someone else, your wallet create a transaction output, which is the address of person you are sending the Bitcoin to. The transaction will then be registered on the Bitcoin network with your Bitcoin address as transaction input. When the person sends those Bitcoin to someone else, their address will in turn become a transaction input, and other person's Bitcoin address will be the transaction output. As more as people trying Bitcoin mining, the Bitcoins run out faster. Experts estimated all 21 million will be gone as early as 2050. Those say it will be far as 21st century or so. Like in many cases, as Bitcoin run out fast, the currency will become a more variable, but will this cause a problem? For comparison, a late 2017 there was 1.59 trillion US dollar in circulation. However, like US dollar, Bitcoin can be divided though far more than a dollar. You can divide it up to 8 decimal places. While the supply is limited, some argue Bitcoin holder will always want to sell. After all, Bitcoin is currency. At some point you want to spend your money. The amount of new Bitcoin released with each mined block is called the block reward, and block reward is half every 210,000 block. In 2009 it was 50, in 2013 it was 25, in 2018 it was 12.5, and in the May 2020 it is half to 6.25. This system will continue until 21st century. At this point of time, the miner will be rewarded for fee for processing transaction the network user will pay. And at this rate of halving, The total number of Bitcoin in circulation will reach the limit of 21 million, making the currency entirely finite and potentially more valuable over time.